using Clearpay with eBay is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I want to teach you how you guys can use Clearpay with eBay. What actually is Clearpay? Clearpay is actually a service from Afterpay. So these things are the same. They're just called Clearpay in some countries and Afterpay in some other countries. You can use the Afterpay to pay for eBay. So how can you do that? So for that, you just have to be at your browser and you need to type in eBay gift card Afterpay. And I'm going to enter it and I'm going to go to this website, which is afterpay.com. Now here, you guys will be able to buy the eBay gift cards that you can use to purchase anything from eBay. There's no direct way that you can buy stuff from eBay. You just need to buy some gift card of eBay, and then you can obviously use this eBay gift card and pay it for whenever you want, and you can pay it in, monthly installments, but you can still use the eBay gift card quickly or whenever you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use the Afterpay or Clearpay with eBay. Hope you guys find this video helpful.